short here, get set up again. Boom. Set that trim one more time. Flashlight is great. Alright, so we'll put the approach in for 1-4. Trim is set, there it is. Okay.
Cheers, 461 Papa, runway 1 at Golf Niner. You can line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 1. 461 Papa. Booster. Fixture. Flaps 50. Go, flaps 50. Lights are on. Let's just put the procedure in here for 1-4. Visual 1-4. Vectors and load that in. Okay.
Cheers, 461 Papa, traffic in the uplands Cherokee, making left close traffic. Runway 1 at Golf Niner, you are clear for takeoff. You can extend your upwind, I guess we'll extend it about 2 miles.
Okay, clear to go off runway 1, extend the upwind about 2 miles, and we have the Cherokee in sight on the upwind, 461 Papa. Okay. There he is, runway 1, up and wait. Runway 1 it is, sync the heading, runway 1, here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full power set, wheels on the floor, airspeed's coming alive 2 times, engines looking good, in the green. 58, 60, 68, 70. She just picks itself off the ground. Beautiful. Beauty. There's that Cherokee in the crosswind there. Keep him in sight. 7 degrees nose up. Looking good.
Figures 14, extend down, I'll call you base.
Extend down, you got the base, figures 14.
Beautiful thing. So smooth at night, man. It's so smooth flying at night time. Just beautiful.
.600.
Hey, that nose get 90 knots on the clock. There it is, 90. Flaps up. Caps available. Extend the upwind here. There it is. There's a final.
Cheers, 461 Papa, you can start that left turn and just join the left downwind for runway 14.
Okay, left turn, left downwind 14, 461 Papa. Up to 11 on the feet there. 32, 320 on the heading, on the downwind for 14. There it is. 1100 feet.
461 Papa, if you're okay with it, you can start your base turn now, runway 14, clear land.
Okay, left turn for the left base, clear to land, runway 14, copy that. 461 Papa. All the way back.
Figures 14, it's going to extend you a little bit longer. I got a Cirrus trying to do some full stop taxi backs on 14, so just extend about another 2 miles.
I will extend to cruise 14.
1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000.
Wind is 0603, altimeter is 3003.
Copy that, 461 Papa. The golf course right under us here, where the big boys are going to be next weekend. I won't be out here, that's for sure. Rory and the boys are coming. Yes, ma'am. Okay, full flaps going in. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. Beautiful thing. All whites, friendly at night.
Figures 14, turn your base.
Turning base, figures 14.
coming down.
500.
Checks. Gas, undercarriage, mixture, props, all switches. Booster, mixture, flaps 100. Lights are on. That's 1-4, we're clear to land. 80 knots, looking gorgeous on the clock here. Keep it coming in. Cover those two red ones, there they are. Keep it coming down. Keep it coming in. Just a touch of power just to carry us in there, that's it. There you go. Too red, too white, looking good. Gently, gently, gently. That's the green ones. That's 1-4. Let her down gently. Hold off too high. Powered idle. Down.
Cirrus 14, runway 1, clear touch and go. Traffic to Cirrus, just touching down on 1-4.
Oh,
Alright,
wow.
clear to go, runway 1, and we got the Cirrus inside.
Wow. See if I can make this turn here.
Cirrus 461 Papa, right turn Alpha 4, and you're going back for runway 1?
Yes, sir. 461 Pop.
Cirrus 461 Papa, roger. Right turn Alpha 4, taxi runway 1 at Golf 9, that'll be Alpha Golf.
Alpha Golf. Back to runway 1 via Golf. 461 Pop, thank you. Where's everybody tonight?
They were all out earlier. It was pretty crazy earlier today.
You should have seen the LIE when I was coming out here.
Yeah, it's always traffic.
Oh man, crazy. I don't fly at night at all, but I said I had to fly this weekend. Okay, on the yellow brick road. Any time for a quick question?
Yeah, go ahead.
Is there any particular TFR going in effect for the Ryder Cup, or is it just the one for the UN General Assembly going to cover everybody?
Yeah, all next week I would check NOTAMs and TFR publications because, yeah, we have the UNGA starting Monday, and that goes, I think, 3 days, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday, Thursday we might have a TFR, but then Friday, yeah, the Ryder Cup starts. There's supposed to be some VIP movement going on, so I'd expect Friday, maybe Saturday with the TFR.
All right, that's good to know. I'll listen in to you guys at home then.
Yeah, so any touch and go in operations like that, it would be good to get them done before all that happens.
I got you. Appreciate it, thanks.
No problem.
Okay. I'm getting used to this now. Put that trim one more time. How are we looking? An hour of flight time in the book. Do a few more, why not? Sweeten up the landings.
Cirrus 461 Papa, you want to do just left close traffic for runway 1, or you want something else?
Could I do another full stop taxi back on 14, and I'll go back to runway 1 after that one.
Yep, you ready to go now?
Just setting the trim here, and yep, I'm ready.
Cirrus 461 Papa, runway 1 at Golf 9er, clear for takeoff, and again, just extend your upwind, I guess, a mile and a half.
Okay, extend the upwind a mile and a half, and then into the left downwind for 14. 461 Pop, thank you. Hey. Final's clear, nobody's coming.
Nickers 14, if you want a short approach, I can work that out with you, get you in for the 1-4 operation.
Negative, we'll just take the standard or extended, whichever we're.
Cirrus 14, okay. We'll see how it works out, thanks.
Okay, runway 1 it is. 010. Sync the heading. Looking good. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full power set. Wheels on the floor. Airspeed's up and alive 2 times. Engine's looking good. In the green. 60. 68. 70. Rotates. And the downwind will shimmy the nose there. Five. 600. Flaps up.
600.
Flaps up. Flaps available. Keep her climbing.
Cirrus 14, runway 1, you're clear touch and go, left close traffic.
Clear touch and go, runway 1, left traffic. Icarus 14.
Cirrus 14, tell you what, let's make it right close traffic.
Right traffic for Icarus 14.
Cirrus 461 Papa, just join the downwind for runway 14. I'm going to extend you a little bit to get the other aircraft in on runway 1.
No problem. Join the down, extend. You got the base. 615.
Under. There it is.
Cirrus 461 Papa, turn your base.
Turn the base. 615.
Hey.
Cirrus 461 Papa, runway 14, you're clear land, traffic is a Cherokee on short final, runway 1.
Clear land, 14, traffic inside. 615.
Cirrus 14, still clear touch and go, traffic is on 2 mile final for runway 14.
Copy that, clear touch and go, runway 1, Icarus 14.
Altitude.
Yep.
Wind calm, altimeter 3004.
3004, high pressure moving in. On up. There's the guy going through that intersection. There he is on the upwind. 2 red, 2 white, looking good. Carry this all the way in. Loaded the procedure so I could get the glide path on the ILS here. Beautiful thing. 80 knots, looking good. Locked and loaded.
500.
Checks. Gas, undercarriage, mixture, props, all switches. Booster, mixture, flaps 100, lights are on. This is 14, we are clear to land. 2 red, 2 white out the window, on glide. 14 it is. There's that guy on the upwind. Don't worry about him. Thing. Coming down, let it down. Put it past as the green ones. Gently does it. Slowly peeling off that power, let it down. Gently does it. Let it down. 1,000 footers. Powered idle. Gently. We'll go to the end of the runway. Gently. Idle. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Yeah. By that. Oh yeah, that is right. Take Alpha forward again.
Cirrus 461 Papa, right turn on Alpha, taxi back for runway 1 at Golf 9er via Alpha Golf.
Okay, right here, Alpha 4, Alpha, left turn Golf, back to Golf 9er, 461 Papa.